Hey everyone, I was just given this product to do my honest opinion, so let's do a quick unboxing together. So this here is a glass dispenser for honey, as you can see, but I'm sure you can use it for any other type of liquids like chocolate syrup or anything that's not too thick. So let's open her up and kind of get an idea of the quality and what you would get if you got it yourself. So here we go. So it's just all in one, okay? So I'm just going to unwrap it from the bubble wrap here. So we got the top unit, which has that lovely kind of cone, the honeycomb design on it, which is just so adorable. I love it. So let's just see here. This is the bottom part where you would put it in. It is a little stuck here, so bear with me. So it is really well packaged. That's good to know as well. So there you go. There's the glass bottom part to it. So there are the two pieces as well. If you need, there is a manual here just in case, just to show you a guideline of how to use it. Very simple and to the point. Perfect. So here it is. Here it is glass. It looks fantastic to me. The quality looks really good so far. Here is just pulling. Yep, perfect. And what that does is you can see it will raise it so that the honey or the liquid can slowly come out of the bottom there. So it is so good. The quality looks really nice. The glass, I don't see any issues with it. So just out of the box, very happy with it. And I'm excited to clean her and give her a try. So I hope this little unboxing video helped. Thanks for watching and bye for now, everyone.